everybody, I am Akhilesh Kumar Pachori, faculty of the Tripada Gurukulam campus and also the class teacher of the 10th standard. In the last year, I got the wonderful platform in this organization where I could express my knowledge with the open mind and the innovative way in front of our students. Time to time, management supported me with the latest new technology and also provide me latest resources for taking our lectures in front of the students. And also I want to say to thank our principal ma'am Miss Anju Kumari to support me and guided me time to time whenever I had needed in the different areas. So thank you ma'am, and thank you the management, and again thanks to everybody. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Kriti Jain, TGT Science teacher of Tripada Gurukulam English School. Today I am sharing my some experiences from previous academic year 2019 and 20. My first experience is with introducing the club activities for different subjects. I was the head of science club. This science club is celebrated in October month. I designed many activities for students, and students learn so many things in a very easy and a simple way and enjoy the science club very much. My second memory is with my colleague staff when we all went to attend a training session in Ahmedabad. This training session is related to the remodule structure of assessment in CBSE pattern, and we all are surprised that already we follow this pattern in our school. My third memory is again with my teaching staff when we all perform a dance performance, group dance performance in an annual day function. This is all done because of a great support of our principal ma'am. She is one of the best principal who joined our school. My last memory is with online classes. Our school management and the principal ma'am organize and provide a digital platform for the study of a student in this pandemic disease due to the COVID-19. At last, I want to say, stay at home, be safe, always wear mask whenever you come out from your house, and follow the instructions which is given by the government. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Dhirubhai Makwana, faculty of Tripada Gurukulam. In last year, I got many new ideas and new opportunities under the guidance of our principal ma'am, Miss Anju Kumari. I heartily thankful to the management, such as being an impactful leaders and every time motivating me. Teachers hold a very special place in the life of the students. कहते हैं कि टीचर शिक्षक बुलंदियों पर नहीं पहुंचते हैं, लेकिन बुलंदियों पर पहुंचने वाले को शिक्षक ही निर्मित करते हैं. जय हिंद.
Hello everyone, myself Komal Thakkar. I am faculty of Tripada Gurukulam. It's a golden opportunity for me as a part of Tripada's family. I heartily thankful to our management and our principal ma'am, Miss Anju Kumari ma'am, and all my team members. Working in a team is a great opportunity for me to learn each other's ideas, skills and talents. Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. Again, thanks ma'am for guiding us, inspiring us and making us what we are today. Thank you.
Hello, I am Amrita Thakkar, teaching as an English faculty in Tripada Gurukulam. I would like to say that year 1920 was a blockbuster for us. The whole year we teachers were on tip of our toes in order to give the students wonderful knowledge. The whole year was divided into various clubs like English, SS, Science, Hindi, Gujarati, where students were given depth knowledge of particular subject, along with in the form of activities and competitions. Each and every celebrations and festivals were celebrated with a great zoom and great enthusiasm. Also, the annual function which was held in our school was the grandest event of this particular academic year, where on the big LED screens our students were looking like a big celebrities. And even in the toughest situation like lockdown, our principal ma'am found the easiest way of teaching students online through Zoom application. And even I would like to say right now also, during vacation time also, our school is providing summer camp to students through online education. So simply I would just like to tell thank you to our principal ma'am, Ms. Anju Kumari, for providing us such a depth knowledge. See, every year we were doing the same thing, but this time the academic year 1920 was full of innovation. In fact, we teachers have transformed from teachers to all-rounders. Already it goes to our principal ma'am, and I hope to learn many more things from her in this particular academic year 2020. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Mr. Praveen Makwana from Tripada Gurukulam. Today I am here to share my experience with Tripada Gurukulam. I have been servicing in Tripada for 7 years and my journey in Tripada is amazing search and amazing management. I can develop myself here. For that I am grateful to our principal madam and the management and also my mind-blowing staff members. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi, this is Priyanka Yadav working in Tripada Gurukulam English School as a teacher. I am here to share my experience of last year 2019 and 20. While talking about the teaching to the students, it was a fabulous experience to teach them as they were very colorful in nature, and our staff members were very supportive and we were working like a family members for the institution. The opportunity to execute our own ideas, to show our talent and to do wonders was given by our management and our so supportive principal ma'am, Miss Anju Kumari, and for that I am very grateful to her, and a big thank you to our management and our principal. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Monu Sharma. I am a faculty of Hindi subject in Tripada Gurukulam campus and also class teacher of 7th standard. Today I want to share my feedback of this school. Here I got to friendly environment from the management side and lot of support to me. Principal Miss Anju Kumari ma'am support me to express my knowledge and skill in creative and innovative way in front of our student. So again, thank everybody. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Masuma Asif Kapasi. I am in grade 1 as a teacher. I started working before 9 months in Tripada Gurukulam English Medium School. One change I observe in myself that I am learning something new every day. Working with Tripada Gurukulam English Medium School is a wonderful experience and that helps me discover myself more and more. And at the end, I am so thankful our principal Mrs. Anju Kumari ma'am for helping me through this year. Bye.
Hello everyone, myself Hina Patel. I go to work as a computer teacher at Tripada Gurukulam. Every day was a different, and I felt like understanding the students better and better as we progressed in last years using a smart technology. In our schools, students are given good smart education through a latest technology like a smart board, projectors, computers, and different mobile applications. That my technology skill improved a lot. It was one of the best experience in my life. I heartily thank to our management, our principal ma'am, and all my lovely staff members. Have a nice day.
Myself Kiran Dudia, faculty of Tripada Gurukulam. Today I am sharing my wonderful experience to work with Tripada Gurukulam campus. During the year 2019-20. During this year, we do many activities like club activities, annual day celebration and much more. In club activities, I learn many things to educate the students in effective ways. One of my memorable experience is dance performance with all staff members on annual day celebration. The another good thing is that we work on Go Green theme during the year 2019-20. In this theme, we educate the importance of our nature, not only our students but the people of our society. At last, I am very thankful to our school management for giving me such opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Manalata Das, the class teacher of grade 2 of Tripada Gurukulam English School. Here I want to share my experience of year 2019-20, which was marvelous and enriching. We have tried using technology at every stage of teaching and learning into this campus by using interactive whiteboards, projectors, smart YouTube and Facebook links channels. Facebook page when the all updates of the school were posted of the children were taught live sessions. Using the technology at its best. Also, if I talk about the smaller tiny tots of my class at initial stage, they were not eating food properly, but gradually with my guidance and the support and through they appear group learning, they have learned how to eat everything what is being served on the table by giving its due respect and understanding the nutritive value with attached to that food. Also, I would like to appreciate the in-house training which was being given throughout the whole year via multi-talent principal madam to all the staff members, wherein we have got an opportunity to learn and develop various skills which are required to be one of the best teacher, mentor and facilitator for these growing kids. I would like to thank the management of Tripada Gurukulam English School for giving me a chance to serve the school, and I do promise that I will try to show out the best of mine in the coming year. Also, and try to give out the best to my students to make them the best students of the town. Thank you.
Creativity is allowing yourself to make mistakes. Art is knowing which ones to keep. Namaskar everyone. I am Nisha Shukla, the art and craft teacher of Tripada English School. I am here to give you the feedback of year 2019-20. It has been a wonderful year of creativity and innovation. Every month I am prepared the software according to the theme of the events, functions, celebrations done in the whole country. I have tried bringing out the best out of waste in the school campus and tried painting the tiers with the tables so the children can learn them well by seeing them through the whole day when they're into the campus. I have tried bringing out the best creative art among my students by teaching them various forms of art and craft like wall painting, mud painting, pencil sketching, portrait, a lot many. I am grateful to management for giving me this opportunity to serve this campus. Looking forward in the coming session to do a lot of innovative stuff to bring out best and my students of Tripada Gurukulam campus. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Nikam Viraj. I am working here as a physical teacher. I feel great to be a part of Tripada family. Our principal ma'am, Miss Anju Kumari, is very supportive. Our school staff is very hardworking. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.